everyone, it's me Sherry and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to do a update on my rolling project pan. I'm a little late because I was supposed to do it right around the 1st of August. I'm now mid-August. Sorry, I apologize. It's been hot and just too hot to record basically. I have also apologized for the lighting, but I have the curtains closed because it's very hot outside and the air conditioner running out in the living room. So I do apologize. I don't have any makeup on today because it's just too hot and humid out there. It was like 30 degrees, which is, Alexa, what's 30 degrees in Fahrenheit?
30 degrees Celsius is 86 degrees Fahrenheit.
86, but there was also a humidex, and so it was making it feel like 36 degrees, so it was gross out there. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I did on my rolling project pan for this month, then stay tuned for the video. Okay, Pumpkin's up here, so hopefully he doesn't knock too much over. I'm just going to get right into it. I haven't worn a lot of makeup this month either. I'm just going to put that in there. I know there's like a really bad, like a streak of light there. I apologize for that. Okay, so my Fenty Heat was 33 last month. It's 32 this month. Okay, I had an e.l.f. powder foundation in here, but I actually took that out and let Kristen have it because it just wasn't working for me right. So I put in the L'Oreal foundation, the powder one. So this, I haven't really used it yet, but it's starting off at 59 grams, just so you guys know. The next product is my Too Faced Melted Matte and Candy Cane. It's still 31. I haven't worn it this month. My Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Balm. It was 11 and this month it's 12 for some odd reason. I know I used that once or twice, but sometimes in the heat product will expand. What are you looking at? Pumpkin's right there. The next product is the Jelly Blush. This is from Hivi, H-I-V-I. This came from Temu. This last month was 25. This month it's 24. So there's a little bit of use on that. The Rare Beauty Bronzer Stick is still 37 grams because I haven't used it. The eyeliner from Sephora. This is another product that went from 4 grams last month to 5 grams this month. Go figure. Like I said, I haven't been wearing makeup, so I haven't really worn that either. This, I keep forgetting to put on. And I shouldn't because it's the summer and you should wear sunscreen all the time. But for some reason, I'm forgetting to put it on now. Last month, it was 105 grams. This month, it's 104 grams. So there's a little bit of use on there, but I really got to get better at using that. The next product that was in here was the AOA cleansing balm. I'm happy to report this is used up, so that's all gone. So that can go in with my empties and my total for my empties for this year. That can add up towards that. What else did we have in here? Okay, the pistachio perfume from Kayali. This last month was 52 grams and this month it's 51 grams, so I have used a bit of product in that. And then for the product that I'm bringing in to replace the cleansing balm is this AVANT moisturizer. AVANT, whatever you want to call it. It looks like this. This is just a facial moisturizer for the nighttime. And it has a whole bunch of stuff in there if you can see that. This is starting out at 28 grams. So hopefully I can use this up within a month. This is kind of, I gave myself a gimme product because I've been working on this project for a while and I still got quite a few products to finish up. But it's just going to roll over into the next year. I'm just going to keep on trucking on it and do the best that I can do. So that is my update for this month. I hope you guys are doing well. Take care of yourselves and each other. And I'll talk to you guys all in the next one. Bye everyone. I told you he was up next to me. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. He's just checking things out. He's very curious. You're very curious, aren't you? That's my boy.